It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud. Santa Bruce by Ryan Higgins.
Hey, Bruce.
Grrr. Bruce was a bear who did not like the holidays. He used to stay in bed all winter long and skip right through the whole business.
This is going to be a great Christmas. No migrating, no hibernating, just family. Honk.
But his family wanted to enjoy a cozy, snow-filled Christmas together. So Bruce was awake.
Actually, bears don't hibernate. They spend the winter in a state of lethargy. Shh, you'll ruin the Christmas spirit. I thought we were spending winter in the state of Maine.
The geese had decked the halls. The mice made lots of eggnog. The holiday season was going to be filled with fun and cheer. Bruce did not like fun. Bruce did not like cheer. Bruce did not like fun or cheer. Bruce also did not like being cold, which was why he started wearing long underwear and a warm hat. And then it happened again.
Are you Santa?
A case of mistaken identity. Bum, bum, bum. Bruce did not like mistaken identities. No, I am not. Go away.
Oh my gosh, I met Santa! Wait right here while I go get my friends.
Wait! Grrr! I am not Santa! Bruce decided to ignore the problem until it went away. It did not. It got worse. Did I hear someone knock? Who could it be? Should we let them in? No, don't open the door. I don't want all their dirty little feet in my house.
Santa!
And worse. Tell them I'm not Santa.
Uh-huh.
And worse.
Listen, everyone. Single file. No pushing. Santa Bruce has time to see all of you. Who wants cocoa?
Soon word spread.
I want 99 red balloons for Christmas.
And all the little critters of the forest wanted to visit Santa Bruce.
For Christmas, I want world peace. I have been very good this year. Can I please have a power compound mitter saw for Christmas?
To tell him what they wanted for Christmas. I want a race car for Christmas. Finally, they all went home and Bruce could grumble in peace and quiet. But not for long. Because all the parents wanted to thank Bruce for his Christmas spirit. Bruce tried to tell them that he didn't have any. Bah, humbug. That's when Thistle made an announcement.
Bruce wants to say you're welcome. And what's more, Santa Bruce is going to deliver presents to all of your kids tonight.
Yay!
Ta! It's a Christmas miracle!
And with that, the parents left, shouting out with glee. Bruce did not like glee. Finally, Bruce headed to bed. The mice had other ideas.
But what about getting ready for your big night? Yeah, what about the children?
Bruce put his foot down. I am having nothing to do with this. I will not deliver presents. Besides, you don't have a sleigh. But the mice were persistent.
Ta-da!
Well, you don't have any reindeer.
The geese were helpful.
Fine, fine, but there are no presents.
Ta-da!
And everyone was ready.
By the way, what's in the boxes? Crackers.
I'm still not going.
Please, all you have to do is sit in the sled. We'll give you chocolate eggs. Finally, the grumpy old bear agreed to be Santa Bruce for one night, and everyone was happy. I think we have too much weight in the sled.
Well, almost everyone.
This is going to be the best Christmas ever! Being Santa Bruce was not an easy job. Ow! Ooh! Ow! That is not a cookie. That is a soap.
Boing, 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 boing.
And by the time Santa Bruce finally finished, the early morning light was creeping over a white Christmas. As all the critters of the forest awoke, they found presents waiting for them from Santa Bruce. Bruce had spread the spirit of Christmas all over the forest and brought everyone happiness. Merry Christmas, Bruce! Merry Christmas, Bruce!
Merry Christmas, Bruce!
Merry Christmas, Bruce! Bruce did not like happiness. He liked sleeping, but Bruce's bed would have to wait.
I'm sleeping through next Christmas.
Let's do this every year!
Hug!
What a funny book. I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope that you can bring Christmas spirit to all those around you.